pretty much the home screen of the VPN connection. And let me start off this to say this VPN is not for free. You will need a subscription to even use this VPN connection here. However, as you can see here, this is a simple layout. The connection button here, all you have to do is just swipe across and then pretty much we start connecting once you have your subscription. At the top here, pretty much can go ahead and select whichever server you use. You can use, as you can see here, they have quite a lot of servers which you can choose from. And I would recommend this VPN here because it's a very great VPN, not gonna lie. As well, you can go in the account section to get your subscription. So you can tap on the get option here, or get subscription option here, and it will pretty much be here for you to get your subscription as it relates to this VPN application here. As you can see the prices as it relates to your subscription. You have the 1 month subscription, and you have the 6 month subscription, you have the 1 year subscription. I've tested this VPN back in the day and it works pretty well. And as well, you can go in the location section here and scroll and just look for what you want. You can go ahead and search for your country. As you can see here, might not have all countries, but most of the popular ones. So that's really pretty much it for this VPN application here. And you may need to sign in using your Gmail. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. And I will see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.